Unlock your photography potential by effortlessly moving your stunning shots from your Nikon D5600 to your laptop. First, let's explore the most common method, using a USB cable. Locate the USB port on your Nikon D5600. It's usually found on the side of the camera, often under a protective flap. Gently insert the smaller end of your USB cable into this port. Now, take the larger end of the USB cable and connect it to an available USB port on your laptop. Ensure the cable is securely plugged in at both ends. Your laptop should now recognize the camera. You might see an autoplay window pop up, suggesting actions like import pictures and videos. If it does, click on that option. If an autoplay window doesn't appear, simply open your File Explorer or Finder. You should see your Nikon D5600 listed as a connected device. Click on it to open its contents, and then navigate to the folder containing your photos and videos, usually labeled DCIM. Once you're in the DCIM folder, select the photos and videos you want to transfer. You can click and drag to select multiple files, or use Ctrl on Windows or Command on Mac to select all. Then, right-click and choose Copy. Navigate to the folder on your laptop where you'd like to store them. Right-click again, and select Paste. For an even faster transfer, consider using a memory card reader, especially if your laptop has one built-in. Gently eject the SD card from your Nikon D5600, then insert the SD card into your laptop's memory card slot or into an external card reader that's plugged into your computer. Your laptop will recognize the card as a removable drive. Open the drive corresponding to your SD card. Similar to the USB method, you'll find your photos and videos within the DCIM folder. Select the files you want to transfer, copy them, and paste them into a folder on your laptop. Finally, for wireless convenience, your Nikon D5600 supports the SnapBridge app, allowing you to transfer photos directly to your smart device and then to your laptop. First, ensure you've downloaded and set up the SnapBridge app on your smartphone or tablet and paired it with your camera. Then, use the app to select and download your photos and videos to your smart device. Once they're on your smart device, you can then transfer them to your laptop using cloud services, email, or by connecting your smart device to your computer via USB. This method provides a flexible way to get your memories onto your main editing station. And there you have it, a seamless transfer of your Nikon D5600 memories to your laptop for endless editing and safekeeping. Happy shooting and transferring.